Greetings, friends. Now we read from Zephaniah 6. I have destroyed nations, their strongholds are demolished. I have left their streets deserted, no one passing through. Their cities are laid waste, and they are deserted and empty. Of Jerusalem I thought, surely I will fear and accept correction. Surely you will fear me and accept correction. Then her place of refuge will not be destroyed, nor all the punishment come upon her. But they are still eager to act corruptingly in all they did. Therefore, wait for me, declares the Lord, for the day I'll stand up and testify. I have decided to assemble the nations, gather the kingdoms, and pour my wrath upon them. All my fierce anger, the whole world will be consumed in fire by jealous anger. Now, this could be the end of the world. This is one of the prophets talking about how corrupt and how terrible Israel had become at the time. But I think the whole world now has become like this. It's almost everybody in the world are becoming corrupt and destructive.